Selamat sore. Good afternoon from Canggu, Bali, Indonesia. After a month of indulging in the incredible flavors of Malaysia, I'm craving a change of scenery. It's time to trade bustling cities for the serene beauty of Bali, Indonesia. This afternoon, I am going to check into my accommodation in Canggu. Lemon Guest House offers an affordable stay in Canggu, Bali, with a lush green atmosphere and a friendly, accommodating staff. However, while the guest house has its charms, there are significant drawbacks in comfort, cleanliness, and noise levels. The guest house is close to the beach, but the narrow and unkempt alleyway leading to it is a downside. Small cars can pass through, but larger vehicles will struggle. Once inside, the property is green and peaceful for most of the time. Check-in was seamless. To avoid the additional 3% credit card surcharge, I opted to pay in cash. The staff were so friendly they even offered to help me with my backpack, which was a lovely touch. The stairs are somewhat steep and dark, and the tiles can be slippery when wet, so guests may want to proceed with care. I was given a room on the second floor. I booked the Superior King room for 600,000 rupiah per night. The Superior King room is listed as 25 square meters, but in reality, it feels much smaller. Possibly due to the inclusion of communal space outside. The room has bare-bones amenities. No TV, kettle, hairdryer, or fridge. While the white walls help brighten the space, the limited natural light makes it feel dark and cramped. The air conditioning works well. The pillows could benefit from a bit more support. I found them a bit lumpy. The bed is generally comfortable with a mosquito net. There are storage options for clothes and luggage. The room includes a table with a stool, which is convenient for working remotely. However, the stool may not be ideal for long periods of sitting. Wi-Fi is inconsistent. My room has a strong signal, while others report it as unusable. Housekeeping is available only every other day and by request. It's a privacy-conscious policy but inconvenient for longer stays. Towels are simply hung out to dry rather than changed, unless explicitly asked for. On the bright side, affordable laundry services at 15,000 rupiah per kilogram are available. The staff would deliver freshly cleaned clothes to guest rooms. The rainfall shower with strong water pressure and reliable hot water is a definite highlight. However, the persistent bad odor from the drains makes the bathroom unpleasant at times. Dim lighting further adds to the discomfort, making it difficult to navigate at night. Only hand soap is provided. No shampoo or shower gel, which feels like an oversight for a paid accommodation. A bathroom mat would have been a welcome addition. And while I requested one, it wasn't replaced or cleaned during my stay. Poor soundproofing is a major issue. The French doors allow noise from neighbors, including conversations and loud videos, to seep through. Ongoing construction in the area makes daytime naps impossible. Nearby hostels play thumping disco music every other night. If you're a light sleeper, bring earplugs. The swimming pool appears well maintained and includes comfortable sunbeds. The guest house provides complimentary 24/7 access to filtered water, coffee, and tea, a convenient amenity for guests. The communal refrigerator at the reception area requires thorough cleaning. While a guest kitchen is available, it appears to be primarily used by staff. With numerous dining options within easy reach, cooking in-house may not be necessary for most guests. The friendly and helpful staff are the highlight of Lemon Guest House. They are attentive, always smiling, and ready to assist guests with anything they need. Their genuine hospitality makes up for some of the shortcomings of the property. Breakfast is included and served between 8 a.m. 10 a.m., featuring a fruit plate and a choice of 3 dishes. The meal is always served with a smile, but the food quality varies. Balinese coffee often exhibits a rich, earthy character, with notes of chocolate and spices. The coffee in Lemon Guest House had a smooth, well-balanced taste with low acidity. Instead of the rich, fragrant flavors of street-style mei goreng, Lemon's rendition was overly seasoned with the MSG flavoring. The vegetables complemented the dish. The lack of sambal or spices made the dish taste one-dimensional. The fried rice had a clumpy, mushy texture, with grains sticking together rather than remaining light and fluffy. It lacked the smoky, wok-fried aroma typical of a good nasi goreng. The flavors were weak, with little spice or depth. The fried egg on top was a little overcooked, with a hard yolk instead of a creamy golden center. While not groundbreaking, this was the most satisfying breakfast option. The bread was toasted golden brown, providing a warm and crunchy base. A tomato added a burst of acidity and sweetness, while the sautéed mushrooms provided umami flavor. 2 over-easy fried eggs were served perfectly cooked, with crispy edges and soft golden yolks. Unlike traditional egg-soaked French toast, this version was simpler and drier, with 2 thick slices of pan-fried bread, crisp on the outside but missing the rich custardy interior. 3 golden brown pancakes were served drizzled with chocolate sauce, making for an indulgent dessert-like breakfast. While the presentation was simple, this dish was a safe, enjoyable choice. The breakfast plate featured a delightful selection of fresh fruit. It included a piece of salak, those intriguing snake fruits with their scaly skin, alongside 2 juicy slices of watermelon and 2 sweet wedges of pineapple. It's a refreshing and healthy start to the day. Overall, Lemon Guest House offers an affordable stay in Canggu. The welcoming atmosphere, greenery, and helpful staff are its strongest points. However, poor soundproofing, basic room amenities, and cleanliness concerns make it an average choice rather than a must-book stay. This guest house is best suited for budget-conscious travelers, backpackers, and digital nomads who prioritize affordability over luxury. Guests should be prepared for potential noise disturbances and should come equipped with their own toiletries. At $36 per night, it's not a bad deal for the location, but spending a bit more elsewhere could make for a cleaner, quieter, and more comfortable stay.